Good day everyone, this is Judy from pursuitoffunctionalhome.com. So today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy pancake. So we have flour, milk, vinegar, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, egg, and butter. So we are going now to combine the vinegar to our milk and leave it for about 5 minutes. Then just mix it. Then we are going to combine our dry ingredients. We have our sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Just combine everything and make a well in the center for our wet ingredients. So here's the milk and vinegar mixture. We are going to add egg. So you beat the egg first before adding it here, before adding to the mixture, and then we are going to add our butter. Then mix them well and then combine it with the dry ingredients. We are just going to combine everything using a whisk, or you can use a spatula, and then we have to reach it at this consistency. It should not be too thin and not too thick also, so as you can see. And then over a medium heat we are going to cook our pancake. And then after 1 minute, when it turns if you can see the bubbles popping, so it's ready to flip it to the other side. So there it is. So it's very fluffy, so you may see. And since then I don't buy the commercial type anymore, so I make my own pancake every morning, almost every morning, not every day though. So thank you for watching, and please rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And for the complete recipe, please go to our website pursuitoffunctionalhome.com. See you in my next video. Goodbye.